Hello, welcome to Nursing with Professor B. In today's video, I will be going over English to Spanish common illnesses. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. Let's go. English to Spanish common illnesses. I did want to let you know that if you are interested in learning medical Spanish, I have partnered with SpanishMadeSimple.net, and you can use my code ProfessorB37 to get a course that is usually $97 for $37. I will provide you with the link below, or you can go to the website and you can enter in the code, my code, to get the discount. The only caveat I want to give is keep in mind that in different countries, we may sing things slightly differently, but they will still understand you. They will still get the gist of what you're saying. Diabetes, diabetes, diabetes. Allergy is alergia, alergia. Allergies is alergias. Flu is gripe or gripa, depending again where you're from. I believe that in Spain they say gripe. In Colombia, I was always brought up to say gripa. Tengo la gripa. I have the flu. Cold is resfriado, resfriado. Arthritis is artritis, artritis. Sunstroke is insolación, insolación. Bee sting is picadura de abeja, abeja, abeja. And then, so picadura de abeja, sting by bee. And then avispa is wasp. So picadura de avispa, picadura de avispa, sting of the wasp. Fracture is fractura, fracture is fractura, fractura. Injury is lesión, lesión. Thank you so much for watching. If you want a free copy of this PowerPoint, then read the instructions below. As of right now, it will probably be to email me. In the future, the instructions may change. But you can email me at nursingwithprofessorb@gmail.com.